This is Restaurant Østergade in Randers in Denmark. We have been here for 20 years and we are a little bit gourmet restaurant, French cuisine. We bake every bread and cakes and we cook stocks and prepare everything ourselves. We have a small restaurant, a la carte. We can have just around 40 people. We are close to fully booked every day, so we are very busy, so it's very important to have the right oven. Today I want to make a pepper steak. It's one of our most popular dishes. We have made this for 20 years. First we put it on a pan and then we cook it finish in the oven. We will make some ragu of mushrooms, some carrots and some powerful sauce with it. Afterwards we'll make some sourdough, white and dark sourdough with a very high temperature in the oven. And then we will roast the beef in the other oven. Normally when we have service we cook fish in the bottom, 65 degrees and a little bit of steam, and we fry it and roast in the other oven. The Invoq Stackit, it make our work much easier because we can do the process cooked and steam and fried at the same time. We have 2 types of oven. Before we only have one oven and we have to plan a lot more, so it's much easier to plan what's our work and our day now. We have programmed all the most used recipes in the oven, so we get the same product every time, and no matter what or who make the recipes or the dishes, it's gotta get the same, and we got the same quality every time. It's also very important for us to clean the oven because you get a better product. So if you use the one oven, you can clean the other one, and the turbo is only 15 minutes. And then when you go home, you can put the eco cleaning by the night, so it's clean when you meet the next day, so you get the perfect product every time. Because we have invested in this Invoq oven, it gives the kitchen more time to do new dishes and use the time to optimize the kitchen and the dishes. So we got more time and we don't use it to clean oven or worry about if you get the right product every time. So it's much easier for us and we have more time in the kitchen now.